Hello. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a Channel Master Stream Plus Android TV device with DVR capability. So this is the box here. And I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy one of these. Right now they may just be on pre-order. I don't know if you can buy one or not, but I'll put a link down there in the description. So we'll look at the side here. It says it's Android TV streaming device with built-in over-the-air tuners and DVR capability. So this has dual tuners in it, and it says set-top box, remote control, power supply, and quick start guide. And this has does not have storage in it, so you do have to add your own storage, which I'll talk about. But let's get to the unboxing. Looks like, so there's a quick start guide, talks about support, third-party apps. Here's the quick start guide. Looks like safety and regulatory notices. So I'll read through this later, maybe. And then the quick start guide here. Looks like it talks about plugging it in and setting it up. Looks good. It has looks like 2 languages in here, maybe. So let's get to the device itself. This packaging is quite nice. It's got some foam on it. And here it is right here. This thing is tiny. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Looks like it has some vents in the bottom. It has a button here for pairing and a button for reset. It has Ethernet on it. This is 100 megabit fast Ethernet. It's not gigabit. It apparently doesn't need gigabit. I mean, when you're streaming video, 100 megabit should be plenty fine for even the highest resolution video. So it has a USB 3.0, has HDMI, power in, your antenna goes in here, and it has the SPDIF optical audio. So it also should have, here it is, a micro SD card slot right there. So looks like this maybe there's a little vent on the top around the perimeter. And it comes with a power adapter here and a cord and a jack here. So looks like this is 12 volts at 1.5 amps. So it plugs in there. Looks like then it has a remote here. Comes with batteries. That's pretty common. And this is from what I understand, this is a Bluetooth remote. It does infrared and Bluetooth. So it can do different capabilities, and you can, it supposedly does like a voice, like Google Voice type thing, so you can talk to your Stream Plus and stuff. So so the advantage of this thing is that, you know, it can do DVR, and then it can also do Android TV, so it should be able to run apps. I'm not completely sure until I set it up, but I assume it can do like Netflix and Hulu and YouTube and things like that. So that's a lot of stuff for a little device like this. And you store your DVR on either SD or a USB drive. So, you know, with SD, you can get a pretty large SD card in here now. They require well, they recommend, I think, mostly a Class 3 or UHS 3 card. So a very high-speed card. But, you know, if you had this just sitting, you know, on your media center, it really doesn't take up a lot of space. Now, if you hooked up an external drive, you do have that. but it's very low profile, which I think is going to be kind of nice. So, but that's all I'm going to cover in this video. I just want to do a quick unboxing, and then I'll post a link down below, probably to a video or a playlist of some other videos I make on this. I'll probably do like a setup and maybe go over some different features and things you can do with it. So if you have any questions, please leave them in my comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.